Welcome to the Sample Scheduler web interface demo part 2, the operator. My name is Tim and I use a tablet for my daily work. Tim is a normal operator who typically carries some samples to the lab, puts them into the tray of the instrument and schedules them on the CDS. Tim logs in with his username and password. As Tim is an operator, he can only see a subset of what Sylvia can see. Tim sees only analysis that he was assigned to or those that were not yet assigned to a user. Tim wants to see his current workload. He doesn't want to see all analysis, nor all instruments in the lab, nor is he interested in the overall performance. He has a tray with 5 samples that were registered in the LIMS and are assigned to him. Tim navigates to the pending analysis. This is the queue of analysis that require Tim's attention. The last 2 samples are the ones that were previously corrected by the lab manager Sylvia. Tim now puts his samples into the correct vial positions on the 6890 GC injector tray, compares them again to the values on the tablet screen to ensure he doesn't make a mistake, and schedules the runs. Tim has 3 more samples with the sample names quercetin BCT1 to BCT3. Tim recognizes that they are in waiting state and sees that they are assigned to the 1290 LC instrument. He compares the samples to his tray and notices that he needs to update the vial position of the first sample to position 16 to match the current position of his sample with the one specified in the sample scheduler. After Tim has updated the vial position, he again checks whether all parameters are correct. He does this for all 3 samples. All samples have been assigned the correct parameters. Tim can now schedule the measurement of the samples on the LC1290. Due to their state change from waiting to scheduled, they disappear from his filtered view. Let's go back to the start page to review the progress. To check whether his samples are now running, Tim checks his list of queued samples, where he can now see his 5 samples queued on the 6890 GC and the 1290 LC instrument. This is the end of the operator demo, and I can log off Tim now.